Hello, this is the TradeSite US Stocks and Futures Market Preview. Tuesday, August 4th, 2020. Hope you had a good trading day on Monday. We made a little, just because of one stock in particular off the report, which was that DOYU. Wasn't a very exciting day, as you'll see at all, though. Let's take a look at, well, here's the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. Not much new here. We were up a little bit. Let's go through the major daily charts, then we'll look at the intraday action. Crude oil has been dead flat, as I talked about over the weekend for a while now, sitting at 40.61. Gold up $3.20 to 1989.60. The S&P cash gained 23.49. The Nasdaq 100 up 149.20, all-time closing high. Sure, why not? Stocks up 40.86, all-time closing high. Biotech's up 132.98. The Russell 2000 gained 26.37. The VIX down 18 cents, now all the way back to 24.28. New lows since the plunge, intraday at least, on the VIX. The trend closes at 1.13 with the 10-day moving average at 1.23. The NASDAQ volume was 4.1 billion shares. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ plus 1362. So more stocks down than up. It's the second best advanced decline ratio day in over a month for the NASDAQ. On the New York, they're only plus 788. Google loses $5.19. Apple up $10.71. That's pretty much where your gain was, although it was up more than that most of the day. Netflix up 9.74. Tesla up 54.24. Amazon, though, down 52.79. Facebook was down $1.71. Still playing with that risk line. Goldman Sachs up $1.43. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, was down 86 cents. All right, let's take a look at the intraday action. So 5-minute candles as flat as can be. Gap up, try to pull back, can't do anything, curl up and make highs for the day, and then that's where we close. So that where we were 40 minutes in is where we closed the day, and there was nothing in between. And the NASDAQ side, even with some of those big FANG stocks up, also equally flat, much worse than anything we saw last week. So, again, summer doldrums continues. They typically say that, things pick up after Labor Day and blah, blah, blah. There's a lot of reason to have thought we'd see a more exciting summer here with everything that's going on in the world. And, of course, we still might. There's been years where we've had tremendous Augusts, and there's certainly enough potential news to get things going here again in August. But until we see it, you got to be careful. In terms of economic data on Tuesday, factory orders and the IBD tip economic optimism number at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Got some bigger data coming out later in the week. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Tuesday.